In this video, we'll go through one or two advanced features in terms of when you're creating reports in Xero. So to get to reports, obviously you go into accounting and go to reports. And then you've got all the other different reports that are available to you, such as financial, purchases, sales, accounting, etc. Now, let's say you wanted to, if we take the P&L for example, and let's say that we wanted to change the layout of this report. So we wanted to create an additional subtotal within operating expenses. We can do that. How do you do that? So if you go to edit layout, if you go to operating expenses, so here you can see all of the accounts that fall under operating expenses. So let's say we want to take everything here, all of these accounts as a separate subtotal, and then we select group and we'll call this direct OPEX for example, and then we add a total. So then it will have a total for this one. That's now created. And then if we select done, we can see that there's a separate subtotal for direct OPEX. Now, one thing you'd want to do is you'd want to save the custom report as P&L, let's say version 2, and save. So what that does is if you go to reports, if you was to rerun the profit and loss again, you can see it's gone back to the default. However, if you wanted to run the report that you've just created, you go to reports, you go to customs here, click on profit and loss version 2, and then you can see the report you've just created.